Is it time to buy or sell SRM Entertainment stock? In this video, we will explore SRM Entertainment in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SRM Entertainment as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has significantly surpassed our expectations, yielding a remarkable gain of 1,965.17% since we first suggested purchasing SRM Entertainment just 23 days ago. This results in an average return of 85.44% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system forecasts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it may take either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 86.29% to 15.61%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 36.52%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 98.99% and negative 94.48% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between 9.26 cents and 500.7 cents. Our latest daily update for SRM Entertainment includes the headline, Volatile Ride for SRM Entertainment Inc. stock price on Monday, moving between $4.30 and $10.84. The SRM Entertainment Inc. stock price gained 533.79% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, rising from $1.45 to $9.19. It has now gained for 9 consecutive days. Such a sustained rise in stock prices is rare, and a pullback of a day or two should be anticipated. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 152.09%, with a day low of $4.30 and a day high of $10.84. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 1,513.7% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 244 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 246 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2,260 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.84, while the lowest price was 26.1 cents. Currently, the price is 15.22%, or $1.65, below the 52-week high of $10.84, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SRM Entertainment has made significant strides recently, announcing an investment of $100 million aimed at launching a TRON token treasury strategy. This strategic move could position SRM favorably in the blockchain space, especially with the involvement of Justin Sun, the founder of the TRON blockchain, as an advisor. In the short term, this type of aggressive investment often results in increased investor interest and could drive up stock prices as market participants see potential for growth and innovation. Additionally, SRM recently closed a private placement of $5 million, demonstrating a commitment to securing immediate capital. This financial maneuver, along with 3 new global theme park toy programs stemming from a successful movie franchise, reinforces SRM's position in the licensed merchandise market. These initiatives not only bolster immediate revenue potential, but also enhance the company's long-term growth trajectory. On the compliance front, SRM received a 6-month extension from Nasdaq, allowing it more time to meet the minimum bid requirement, which reduces immediate risk for shareholders and can stabilize stock prices amid fluctuating market conditions. With these developments, SRM is not only seeking to reaffirm its market presence, but also to signal a strong commitment to shareholder value, especially evident in its lockup agreement with a major shareholder. In summary, these progressive steps are likely to have a positive impact on SRM's stock price, both in the short and long term, as the company capitalizes on new opportunities and mitigates risks. Analysts have assigned SRM Entertainment stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for SRM Entertainment. SRM Entertainment Incorporated has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $2.16 and 82 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has surged by 3,158.87%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SRM Entertainment. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $6.54 between its highest and lowest points, which translates to 152.09%. Additionally, in the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 51.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SRM Entertainment, let's take a moment to discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SRM Entertainment. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to help determine the right moment to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such market conditions. The combined average rating for SRM Entertainment from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Douglas O. McKinnon conducted an insider purchase of 575,000 shares of stock options. On the same day, Gary L. Herman conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of stock options. Also on that day, Richard A. Miller made an insider purchase of 465,000 shares of stock options. On the same day, Richard A. Miller conducted another insider purchase of 310,000 shares of stock options. Lastly, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Hans Haywood conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of stock options. Based on the 25 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 39.65. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,000 shares and sold 1,130,425 shares in the last 25 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.91, reflecting a decrease of 3.02%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 99, which further escalates the risk involved. Additionally, we are observing a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is SRM Entertainment stock a good buy? SRM Entertainment Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning you may want to maintain or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 17th, we expect SRM Entertainment to open lower by $1.08, beginning trading at $8.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.